Hey, what's up guys? Imran here with MonsterGadgets. Today is Monday, March 4th, and today I am extremely excited to share with you what I've been waiting for the last 3 weeks or so. It's right here. It's right here in this box. I'm gonna go ahead, open it, unbox it, and you guys are coming along. Let's go. All right, let's go and get started. You know what I need? Everyone, whenever people do like open boxes or unboxings on YouTube, everyone's got like a really cool knife, like they fling open or whatever and then like unbox. I'm gonna use my keys because I'm not that cool. I don't have a box cutter. I'm gonna have to get one of those, but for now, we're gonna use a key. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this bad boy up and see what it's like. So for those of you that have already guessed it from the title, this is the Aputure 120D Mark II that we're unboxing. This particular light has been, well, that's interesting. Let's take a look here. So this actually, it came in a box inside a box, but this box is already open. Why is this box open? Let's find out. Let's see if anything is missing, or did they send me a brand new one? What did they do? Okay, let's see. That's funny. Cleaning cloth is on top of the box. Here's the light. As I was saying, this particular light, Aputure sold out of it. It came out in September, I believe, of 2018. And Aputure just had it available on their website. I ordered it, and turns out Amazon also had it. I'll leave a link below so you guys can go check it out. They had it in stock. I ordered it from them. They shipped it out, and I went back to Aputure's website and oops, sorry. I went back to Aputure's website and I canceled the order from there. So I'm hoping this is brand new and this is not open. I don't know why the box was open. Oh, actually this is. It is brand new. Check it out. Little zip ties or a zipper is tied by the original Aputure tape. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let me get this thing off. Keys again. Oh, there we go. Got it open, guys. Got it open, and because I'm using natural light, it is getting dark in here, so let's turn this bad boy up. All right, that's better. So, ooh, this is nice. This is nice. All right, let me grab the camera here. I gotta show you guys this real quick. Check that out. So everything comes in this nice little carrying case here by Aputure, and it's got separate compartments. Ooh, here's the light. Before we get to the light, let's see what else it has here. Here is the power cable. Nice. Dome to go with it. Let's take that off. Nice. Well, I like how they've actually even got, look at the detail on the thing. They actually got it padded in there as well for that that mount. I want to open this, but I want to get to it last. Here's another cable to attach it to the power box, which now with the Aputure 2, the Mark II, is one big box. Look at this beastie thing. How nice is that? Got your connections in the bottom, connections up top. I have no idea how to hook this thing up, so we'll figure it out here in a second. Aputure 120D Mark II. Nice. Side here, and for the main product, this is what I've been waiting for. Oh yeah, Aputure 120D Mark II. Oh, this thing is light. This thing's very light. Very cool. All right, let's put this down here. And we've got, let's see, what do we got in here? Aputure stickers. Oh yeah, that's gonna come in handy. That's the hanging thingy for the light and the remote with the battery. Beautiful. Sweet. Let's put that back in here. And I'm guessing this is the instruction booklet. That is instruction booklet and a registration card. Very cool. It's a nice solid case. It's got a pocket in the front here with a strap. So you can hang it on the hooks here along the side here. Right here and right here. It's a pretty sturdy case. I like it. Let me put this back here so you guys can see me again. So I'll go ahead and set that up. I have to grab my light stand, and this is way blown up now. See, now that I got the light, I won't have to mess with my natural light settings. All right, so let me put this aside. I did order 2 of this I already cheated. I opened this yesterday because this came in and I just couldn't wait for it. This is a Light Dome Mini 2. So I did order 2 of the Light Domes. One is the Dome Mini and the other one is a normal dome. So because I'm gonna be using this downstairs in what I like to call my studio, which really is my bedroom, it's not that big. So I'm gonna use this, the mini one probably, while I'm shooting it here in my studio. And then out on the field, depending on if I have enough room, I'll be using the bigger one. The bigger one I believe is 34 inches in width versus the 24 inches I believe for this. But we'll take a look at that later. But this one is much nicer than the first one. The first one had these rods everywhere and you have to basically take one rod at a time and connect it. These already come connected together. So all you really gotta do is just basically put it on the floor, expand these out, lock them in, and boom, this is good to go. And this of course goes on to the light itself. Now, just so you guys can see it a little bit more up close, this is what the rods are going in. The rods cannot be taken out. There is a little notch here that you push down. So you just push the rod up, push this down, and it releases it. So if you want to basically put this back to how it was, unfold it, you would just go around and do all the rods and fold it back up. So, but I will go ahead and leave this the way it is. Let me just put the Velcros back on so it's nice and tight. Voila, Light Dome Mini 2. Obviously the front's got a diffuser that I'm gonna have to put on. So let me go get the light stand, hook this bad boy up, and let's see what it's like. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm gonna play around with this light. This is obviously the first time I unboxed it, so I gotta figure out how to properly use it, but I got it set up right now. I turned all my blinds down and now I'm gonna start using this light instead. So I was hoping to get a nice warmer feel to my videos, but also I love using daylight, and the only issue with daylight is when I'm recording and the blinds are open, if it's a cloudy day, that's when it gets really difficult to film because I've got everything set on manual setting. And if the clouds are coming in front of the sun, then obviously it gets darker, lighter, and things like that. So if there are no clouds and it's sunny outside, I love using daylight as my main source of light. But now I've got this light set up and I'm gonna continue using this one. But before I do, I gotta figure out how to use it properly. So I'm gonna play around with it, get used to it, maybe run it for a week or so. So once I figure out how to properly use it, how to mess around with the settings and how to set it up, I will do a full review on the features of this light and how to properly use it. Until then, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you on Thursday for Tutorial Thursday. Goodbye.